Hey YouTube.
We're gonna tell you how to fix this
piano. This is a 1985 Little Tikes Tap-A-Tune piano, and we noticed that what was happening with the keys, they were getting a little kind of sticky, weren't they?
Yeah, they were getting a little sticky,
Yeah.
and they were broken.
Yeah.
There's tiny holes.
Yeah.
You have to punch them. And fix them.
So as it turned out, inside of here, on each one of the keys, there's little foam pads. What? Remember what?
Remember, I'm also a YouTuber.
Okay. So there's little foam pads on each of the keys, and what we did was we took this apart and used weather stripping to repair it. So let's show you how that works. Okay, so to get this thing apart, there's just 4 screws that you have to take apart here, or take out.
But if you have a baby, don't let the screws against him.
That's a great tip. Keep these screws out of the reach of babies.
Yeah, because they might swallow them.
Yeah.
And they might choke and get sick.
Yeah, no kidding. So, put these screws in a safe spot. Let's get them out of the way here. So, if you look right here, this cover comes right off. And we already did the repair, so you won't be able to see how gross it was inside. But if you look down in here, there's foam underneath here to stop these from coming down all the way. And as well, on every one of these, there's foam here. Now the foam that was on here basically had holes in it in the middle where it impacts these here, these pins. So basically it wasn't making near the contact, and each of the keys had a little bit different of a feel to it. Some of them didn't ding so well, and a lot of them were just getting stuck in the down position. So what we did was use your standard weather stripping that you would use for doors and windows, and it has a sticky back to it. Peeled it off, cut it to size, and put it on here. And that's all there is to it. And after 33 years, and that's all that's wrong with it, this is a really well-built toy, right? Yeah. So if we even just put this back on here, like that, you can see how nice it sounds, even if it's not screwed in. Go ahead. Nice.
I was banging this like crazy. Then I thought it was a little broken then.
Yeah. Okay. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And
make sure to see my videos. I only make 3.
Okay. Yeah, little selfless plug there.
Bye.
Bye.
Leave a comments below. Bye.